We've been talking about customer success, customer journey, and you're wondering, how does all this become digitized into a platform? And that is Zoho CRM Plus for you. So, in Zoho CRM Plus, we have the awareness part, where your customers are at, where they're interacting with your products. So I believe all of us, for our different businesses, we have social media handles where we post our products, our services. If it's life insurance, it's general insurance, that's where Zoho Social comes in. Then we have the website part. Clients are interacting through your website, and maybe they're asking questions. Some websites I know we have integrated chatbots, and this is the good side of Zoho Sales IQ. We have a chatbot, so even if a client comes at, it was a query raised at midnight, yes. So because of the chatbot, they can get a reply. So the other good thing about Zoho Sales IQ is you're able to know, this is my website. Customers are majorly looking at this product on this page. So you know I can market this better because people are checking out this more. So that's awareness for you. And marketing automation helps you with automating. If it's mail campaigns, it's SMS, people have subscribed to all this. I'm sure all of us regularly receive quick mart SMSs, especially on Friday. That's marketing automation. But now this is specific to BFSI. So Zoho CRM, your customer has checked out your product or service. They are ready to engage, interact, purchase, or maybe ask for more. That's where your sales team comes in with Zoho CRM. The next part, retention. So this customer has come in, they have bought, if it's life insurance, if it's a banking product, how do you ensure that you retain them? So it's not a case of six months after that they want to shift. How do you ensure you retain them? That's where Zoho Desk comes in, managing your tickets, customer query. As you know, a happy customer brings more business, and more business is more happiness to a business owner. So then Zoho Survey, this is collecting feedback. Your product is already out there. You want to know how are people interacting with it. What is the feedback? What adjustments can I make? That's where Zoho Survey comes in. And Zoho Projects is if you need internal collaboration within your organization on a specific customer, we need to close this deal. This customer is asking for this specific information. This can be internal, or also you can engage them. So basically with this, your journey, your customer journey from awareness, acquisition, retention is all solved with Zoho CRM Plus. But there's more to it. Zoho Analytics. You are a decision maker. You want an aggregated summary, getting into the nitty-gritties. We have had people talking about how our data is used, like you are contacting your mom. How does this happen? This is Zoho Analytics for you. Getting the information. Most clients from this particular part of the country are requesting for this product. It means if I push this product in this region, I'm able to close more sales. And Zia, what is Zia? We have interacted with ChatGPT. I'm sure once in a while, all of us use ChatGPT, asking questions. Now this is ChatGPT for your business. Only better, now that it's bringing in more value. So Zia allows you to enter input prompts, that is by text or by speech. So with this case example, I can ask how many leads do we have this month from this region, and Zia will be able to give me the information. So generally, this is how Zoho CRM Plus would look for your different departments. So for marketing, you'll have Zoho Sales IQ, marketing automation, Zoho Social. Then for selling, for the sales team, they can interact more with the Zoho CRM, managing leads, the sales pipeline, as we'll see in the coming slides, onboarding and origination. Then for servicing your customer service, we have Zoho Desk, and for retention and growth. So all this can be integrated to your core system. I know a lot of insurance companies, especially in Kenya, if you're in here, use Tanki. So this allows you to integrate. And also our systems that we offer, those are core systems. It's for insurance, it's for banking. They all integrate with Zoho CRM Plus. So we'll go through sample solution screenshots so you get a touch of how it will feel. So this is an example of a home dashboard. So let's assume this for SBM Bank, and you are viewing generally how your organization is performing, the different stages that your leads are in the sales pipeline, the inquiries by zone. I'm getting 100 inquiries from Eastern Kenya, 200 from Nyanza. So this gives you a general overview, and this can be captured in the Zoho CRM dashboard. So your salespeople are informed and they're able to make the right decisions every time. Lead qualification cadence. So we always know, people will always ask, but how do you qualify that this is worth putting my energy into and this is not worth it? That's where lead qualification comes in. So maybe I have a series of processes depending on my company. If I follow up thrice or 4 times and there's no feedback, I cannot qualify that as a quality lead. So I put my energy in the right leads. So lead qualification is captured in Zoho CRM Plus. Business flow orchestration. We have talked about automation. While Rose was here, she was talking about how Branch has automated several of their products. You're able to upload these documents online. The end customer receives updates of SMS. Your account has been opened, your documents have been submitted and verified. All this can be automated so that you don't have to go through manual processes, where after account has been opened, you have to go to a separate system and send if it's SMS or emails. This can all be done from Zoho CRM Plus. And this is just a sample case of a bank. So depending on your business processes, all this can be automated, eliminating manual tasks. So next, ticket solution. So your customers asked for an inquiry, either via social media, they have seen your product or service, they want to know more, or via the website. What happens next? Zoho Desk allows you, so if a ticket comes in, it can be able to be routed to the specific person. If in your organization you have life and general insurance, in this case, I'll just give a specific example like health and motor. So there's this urgent catering for motor insurance and this catering for health insurance. Zoho Desk can automate in that it is assigned to the right person who is responsible to that particular product. So this ensures that your customer are interacting with the right people. With this, you can be able to manage cases of SLA deadline. So probably a customer raised a case, 2 people have checked it. Moses was talking about a case scenario where it's 3 days. So depending on how your organization approach tickets, the lapse time before it's escalated, what's the lapse time? So if it takes maybe a day or 2, it's escalated to the relevant person or assigned to a different agent to address it. And all of this can be automated. So marketing planning, you have your marketing department, you have your budget, you have the different channels you want to send these marketing efforts to. We have mail campaigns, SMS, social media, knowing how they are performing. Maybe social media is giving us quality leads, enough leads for the cost we are inputting into these marketing campaigns. I can be able to route now my marketing efforts towards social media and not on email campaigns. Social media marketing. So Zoho CRM Plus has Zoho Socials, whereby you can be able to view all your social platforms from a unified place. So you are checking out your Instagram, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Twitter from a single interface. So you can get a general overview of how your socials are performing, including scheduling posts. So I want to post once, but across all these different social pages. This is allowed in Zoho Socials. And this ensures that if you are a person who is on the go, you are able to do this so easily, and you're able to monitor if there are any questions, all from this. A single DM where you can interact with all inquiries for Facebook, for Instagram, for LinkedIn, a single DM, so you can be able to reply to all of them, all from a single interface. I guess this sounds like making your work easier, right? Awesome. Then feedback management. As I said earlier, your product is out there in the market. You want to know, how do your customer feel? Where can you improve? This is where feedback comes in, and it's able to collect to know that these are the customers that have responded to the feedback query I've sent out. This is the questions most of them are skipping, and you can be able to identify and make improvements. And with this information, feedback is very important, because with this now you can be able to make improvements to a product or a service, meet customer expectation, hence customer satisfaction. So this is a view of how your CRM will look like for a customer. So in this case, you have Mr. Harry. So maybe in your business, it's Mr. James or Miss Vivian. You're able to view, because this platform, remember I said it's unified. All the information is integrated and can be showcased. It's like an aggregate information of everything related to your customers. These are the products they have with you. These are the services they have with you. These are the personal details of the person. These are the tickets they have raised. So when you're interacting with your customer, you have a 360 view of who you're interacting with. Personalization. We all love personalization. That's why we have unique styles. We prefer different types of vehicles, different types of food. And this is canvas for you, for how you will prefer to view your customer. So this is a personalized view, and this can be adjusted to reflect if it's your brand colors or how you'd want it to be viewed as. So basically, it's a design tool that is inbuilt in the CRM that you can customize. With all this said, all this data collected, CRM, leads, what you are getting from your website, and you have to get into the nitty-gritties. What's really happening across my organization? A quick preview. The data will normally take maybe a month or two to evaluate and to come up with the unified general analytics. I'm sure at some point, some of us have used Excel sheets trying to navigate to generate graphs and stuff. But this analytics makes it easy. So you're able to know if it's performance per region. Now it's getting in-depth into the data. What is the market saying? In Kenya, we say, ground inasema aje. So you're able to know. So with this, you make informed decisions. So all decision makers in the house, this is for you. So now that we have discussed Zoho CRM, we are curious to know how is it addressing some of the core issues faced in BFSI. We have had our insightful panel discussion on all the different aspects, the pain points that are in this industry, and how is Zoho CRM Plus coming to solve this. So Zoho gives you a unified user interface. What I mean is, all these applications I've been talking about, you've been hearing about managing your socials, managing your tickets, all from a single place. So you don't have to shift tabs. All this is unified. Then siloed customer information. We always get, there's a client, 5 different systems. This is for marketing. This is for the salespeople. This is the core system. It's not integrated. So with this, Zoho solves it in that all this is now brought together into a single system. And the beauty of this is you now don't need different passwords to log in across all the different applications. So with one password, you can access all these applications from a unified platform. So lack of process workflow. Your business is still manual. You're not sure after this process is here, what's the next process. So mapping it down so that you have a standard process workflow and automating it. If a new customer has come in, we are supposed to send out a welcome email. This is done. If it's 2 days, a ticket has not been responded to, it should be addressed to the person who is heading that specific department so that they can address it. Data duplication, ensuring there are no errors. This is common, especially for CRM, whereby maybe you have different sales agents. They have met the same customer, they are happy, they have 10 customers, but they are sharing 5. So at the end of the month, everyone is pointing, this is my customer. This solves it for you. So it eliminates duplication in data entry. So these are sample list of the compliance certifications that Zoho has been issued with. So in case you're wondering, you're trying to identify what you're looking for, you can check it out there. Some of our top customers, we have ABC, InsureMe, Airtel Payments Bank, Tata AIA, Life Insurance, as you can see. So with that, my presentation comes to an end. Asanteni sana.